Hi class! Today we are going to go ahead and learn about counting to 50. Are you ready?
Yep.
Alright, so what are we doing today? Well, obviously we're counting to 50, so by the end of this lesson you'll be able to count to 50 with cardinality and one-to-one correspondence, and you'll also be able to determine the amount of objects within a set within the numbers 20 to 50. So that means that you'll be able to count like 50 sprinkles or 20 pennies. Sound good?
Yep.
Alright, so what do we already know about counting? Well, last week we learned how to count to 20, so let's go ahead and review that together. Alright?
Okay.
Okay, so let's clear this board. Alright, let's count together. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. 1,
One,
2,
two,
3, 4, 5, 6,
six,
7,
7,
8, 9, 10,
10,
11,
11,
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
17,
18,
18,
19,
19.
20. Good job. Thank you for counting with me. So today we're actually going to learn how to count all the way to here to number 50. And number 50, so this number right here, is halfway to 100, so it's a really big number. And it might be hard in the beginning, but I know we can do it. You ready? All right.
Yep.
So how do we count to 50? Since we already know how to count to 20, we can easily count to the number 50. So we're going to go ahead and practice on a 100s chart, and then we're going to go ahead and look at groups and count out the objects. All right, so let's practice. All right, let's see here. Okay. So we have our 100s chart here. So we already know how to count to number 20, right? Okay, so after 20, we're just going to start all over like we did with the number 11. So we're going to add a 1 onto the end of it, okay?
Okay.
So this is 21. And then after that, we just keep on adding it on until we get to 30. And at 30, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to add on our 1. And we're going to keep on counting up, up, up until we reach the number 9. And then we're going to say 40. And then after 40, we go back and we add a 1 on the end. So we have 41. Then we're going to keep on counting all the way up until 9. And then we get to 50. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Do you want to try and count to 50 with me?
Sure.
All right. Let's start with the number 1. Go ahead whenever you're ready.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Good job. Do you think you can keep on going?
Yep.
All right. Let me know if you need help, okay?
Okay.
All right. Go ahead.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30,
Good.
31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40,
Good
41,
job. Yep.
42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49,
Good.
50.
Good job, Melina. Clap for yourself. Yay! You can shine your halo. Ooh, good job. That was so awesome. You did a great job counting and you didn't even mess up. That's so awesome. I'm so proud of you. All right, are you ready to look at objects and groups now?
Yep.
All right. Let's see here. So we're just going to go ahead and count the amount of things that we see on the screen, okay? Do you want to
Okay.
go ahead and try this one first?
Sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Good job. That was right. Awesome counting, and you did everything in the right order, and you gave each object just one number, okay? That's really important. Okay, let's see here. This one might be hard to see. All right, do you want to go ahead and try and count this one in your head? And then when you're done, tell me the answer, okay?
Okay.
All right, go ahead and try it.
$43.
43. Okay, are you ready to check it?
Yep.
All right, let's check it. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so that's 20. We already know how to count to 20, remember? All right, so let's start 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43. Good job, Milena. Woohoo! Okay, so let's see here. So that's all we have for today, okay?
Okay.
I'll go ahead and see you next week when we learn how to count to 100. Oh my gosh, that's going to be so exciting. All right, I'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.